Meet the young India emerging with flying colors, dynamic and versatile in every manner. Let the world know we are ready to bang. Yes, we can do it. This has been amply proved in Tokyo Olympics 2021. The success of Team India at the Olympics is a reflection of how New India desires and aspires to dominate the world, even in sports. The Olympic Games showed us that with self-discipline and dedication, we can be champions. Team India excelled and inspired, while India's cheered and celebrated all around. Truly, sports is a great unifier, as our athletes come from villages and cities, north to south, from east to west, and their journey is an incredible story of resilience and sporting excellence. There were many firsts in Indian campaign, including the biggest ever 128-member athlete contingent, 7 Olympic medals, first Olympic gold medal in an athletics event, 2 successive medals in consecutive games by Sidhu, and the Indian men's team in hockey after a gap of 41 years. Exciting, fast-paced, and full of diverse opportunities. Yes, you're right. My today's video is based upon sports opportunities in India. Sports loved by all, but pursued by a few. You might be knowing my today's topic is based upon sports management. But before beginning my topic, चलिए आज चलते हैं आपको आपके स्कूल की यादों की तरफ लेकर, जहां आपका पैशन होता था एक ऐसे पीरियड का इंतज़ार करना जहां आप अपनी सारी चिंताएं भूल जाते थे, जो पीरियड आपको स्ट्रेस से बाहर लेकर आता था, जिस पीरियड का नाम था अ पीरियड ऑफ एंजॉयमेंट। बट शायद आपको ये नहीं मालूम कि वो पीरियड आपको क्या क्या सिखा कर जाता था। आज बात हम करेंगे आपकी स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में, गेम्स के बारे में। गेम्स पीरियड जहाँ पर आप लाइफ लॉन्ग वैल्यूज सीखते हैं, एंड दोज वैल्यूज आर द स्किल्स ऑफ लीडरशिप, टीम स्पिरिट एंड डिसिप्लिन. These factors, when combined together with games, will take you to a long journey which can give you a very successful future. Let's talk about कि ऐसी क्या चीज़ है कि बच्चे स्पोर्ट्स को अपना करियर नहीं बना पाते, क्यों स्पोर्ट्स में आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश नहीं करते। आज हम बात करेंगे उन सभी बच्चों से जो शायद कॉमर्स या ह्यूमैनिटीज़ ग्रुप से कंसर्न हैं, और इवन मेडिकल या नॉन मेडिकल से भी, वो कैसे अपने इन स्ट्रीम्स को स्पोर्ट्स कैटेगरी में आगे लेके जा सकते हैं। तो चलिए देखते हैं। स्पोर्ट्स इंडस्ट्री इज रैपिडली ग्रोइंग इन इंडिया. In case if you think I'm not a good sports person anymore, you can still work in this industry. How? By connecting to your audience and to the entertainment. You can still grow into this industry by showing your potential. चलिए अब बात करते हैं बैचलर्स ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट, which is also called as BSM. It is a 3-year undergraduate program and which is pursued by aspirants who wish to establish a successful career in sports management as well as administration. अब आपका क्वेश्चन ये होगा कि स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट में क्या क्या सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं और हमें क्या क्या सीखने को मिलता है। तो चलिए बात करते हैं सबसे पहले हम सब्जेक्ट्स के बारे में। सब्जेक्ट्स इंक्लूड कंटेम्प्रेरी इशू इन स्पोर्ट्स, एथिक्स इन स्पोर्ट्स, स्पोर्ट्स ट्रेनिंग एंड कंडीशनिंग, स्पोर्ट्स मार्केटिंग एंड सो ऑन। अब बात करते हैं स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट करके आपको क्या कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा। सो आफ्टर परस्यूइंग स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, you learn how to organize sports events, finances and other important avenues of sports. अब आपका क्वेश्चन ये होगा, उसके लिए हमें कितनी परसेंटेज की जरूरत है आफ्टर +2? सो उसका आंसर है, फॉर एन इंटरमीडिएट डिग्री इन एनी स्ट्रीम you need just 50 to 60% of admission to avail this program, and some of the colleges do keep an entrance test too for pursuing the bachelor's degree in sports management. So after class 10th, you all have one question in your mind. That one question is, which stream is going to be the best one for me? Is it humanities or medical, non-medical or commerce? And here I would like to advise you all that commerce stream would be best for you if you want to opt for sports management in the long run. The commerce stream includes subjects like business studies, economics and accountancy, and these subjects are required for having a strong foundation to understand business practices and acquiring a deeper knowledge for understanding business processes at the global level. Now coming to the second point, when you start pursuing your bachelor's degree in sports management, so what things are required at that moment? In order to jumpstart your career in sports management, the best program to pursue at undergraduate level is a bachelor's degree in sports management, and it is a full-fledged 3-year degree course. Being a professional course, it offers students the opportunity to undertake professional projects which focuses on providing industry knowledge related to marketing management, sports planning, sports funding, sports law, ethics, risk management, as well as principles and practices of business in the sports industry. But while doing business management in sports industry, your degree is incomplete without doing MBA. So I would like to recommend you all, after pursuing your BBA, you must go for MBA. Now the question arises, which are the chief centers for doing BBA in sports management? So here I would like to tell you, the National Academy of Sports Management Mumbai offers the degree in BBA in sports management. Besides that, we have George College Kolkata that too offers BA in sports management, and Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad University of Technology West Bengal, it too offers BA in sports management, and Mumbai too offers International Institute of Sports Management. It offers you the BA in sports management, so must go for it. These are some top ranking institutes. Besides that, some top universities which offer the sports management degree are Christ University Bangalore, St. Xavier's College Mumbai, as well as Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, Delhi. While playing a game, there will be many stones in your way, but you need to create every stone into a milestone. When you start thinking, I'm not playing for myself, I'm playing for my nation, my ultimate goal is to make my country feel proud, then you become the real sports person of the country. If you are a sports enthusiast, and with that you have got extensive knowledge about sports management, besides that you have got key skills of event management, and if you combine these skills with media, advertisements and PR for any team, then you have got number of career opportunities in the field of sports management.